Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get free 4K live wallpapers for your desktop screen. If you're ready to give your screen a massive upgrade, this video will reveal the secret on how you can get free 4K live wallpapers for your desktop screen. And we're talking about high definitions animated backgrounds that look stunning and don't slow down your computer. So what you need to do here, just open your browser and then go to this website called Motion BGS. You just search it on Google and you'll go to this motionbackgrounds.com. As you guys can see here, there will be lots of options, background options that you can choose. There are also category like anime, Demon Slayer, One Piece, nature, Pokemon, Minecraft, samurai. So you can just choose the character or maybe the picture that you like. So for example, in here, I'm going to just go with, let's say, rain. Okay, I'm going to use this one, rainy forest, in here. Then you can just scroll down and you'll see the options to download. For example, I'm going to go with 4K download. You can just click on this one in here. Then the wallpaper will be automatically downloaded. You can just open it. So it will be open as a video. You can just right click on it and then you can set it as your desktop background. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.